Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ClickUp to Gmail, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to ClickUp's official website. Log into your ClickUp account with your user. Once logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. In the Integrations section, find the Gmail integration. Click on the Gmail option to access its settings. You will see an Add button. Click on it to begin the setup. A new window will pop up prompting you to sign in to your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail credentials and click Next. Grant ClickUp the necessary permissions to access your Gmail account. Once you've granted permissions, you will return to ClickUp. Here, you can customize integration settings as per your needs. You can choose to create tasks from emails directly in ClickUp. Decide how you want the emails to be converted into tasks. Set up any additional options, such as notifications and tagging. After configuring the settings, click the Save button to finalize the process. Your Gmail is now successfully connected to ClickUp. You can begin managing tasks directly from your Gmail account. Return to the ClickUp dashboard to see your changes reflected. Enjoy the streamlined workflow between ClickUp and Gmail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.